Hello everyone, myself Shubham Baranwal. Welcome to the ROS tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the basic ROS nodes and topics and how do nodes communicate. Let's quickly go through some of the graph concepts. I have already told them in the tutorial navigating the file system. So let's go one by one. Master. It is a core of ROS communication. It provides naming and registration services to the rest of the nodes in the ROS system. The master is commonly run using the roscore command. Node. A node isn't much more than an executable file within a ROS package. Nodes can publish or subscribe to a topic. Nodes can also provide or use a service. Here is a diagram of communication structure in a ROS network. We can see that there is a single ROS master and different nodes that register themselves with the master. Individual nodes communicate with each other with the help of the messages. Message. A message is a data structure that stores data. It contains data that sends information to other nodes. ROS has many types of messages and we can develop our own type of message using standard messages. Topic. Topic is a named bus over which nodes exchange messages. When a node is sending data, we say that the node is publishing a topic. Nodes can receive topics from other nodes simply by subscribing to the topic. Next is client libraries. A ROS client library is a collection of code that eases the job of the ROS programmer. These libraries let you write ROS nodes, publish and subscribe to topics. It can call services and use the parameter server. So using these libraries we are making node. Let's see now some of the command line tools related to nodes. Roscore. Roscore is the first thing you want to run. It is actually the combination of master, rosout and parameter server. Master allows other nodes to communicate with each other, and rosout helps in printing the status messages, warnings and error. Let's see how the roscore works. Open the terminal and type roscore. So it says started core service with rosout. So after starting roscore, let's see what are the nodes that are active. So in the new terminal, type ROS node list. This ROS node is another command which handles the nodes. We see that only rosout node is running. This is always running as its functionality is to print the status messages, warnings and error. Let's check the info of this node. So type ROS node info /rosout. We see that it gives a lot of information about the node. It shows the process ID, publications, subscriptions and services. You can search more about ROS node just by simply typing ROS node space help. See, it gives all the functions of the ROS node command. Now let's run something very interesting. Type ROS run in the new terminal. ROS run is a command to run a node. So type ROS run followed by your package name and then followed by the node name. Here, just for example, we'll use turtlesim package by ROS. So type ROS run turtlesim and press tab twice. We see different types of nodes associated with this package. So go on and type turtlesim _ node. You can see a turtle now. We can again check the active nodes. So type ROS node list space list. we see now that one more node is running called turtle sim. So for now we'll stop this node and let's give this turtle sim node a name. Type ros run, then turtle sim node, and let's name this node. I'll name this node my turtle. Now again let's check the nodes which are running. We can see that my turtle node now. One more thing we can do is that we can check the availability of nodes by pinging them. Let's do that. So it's pinging. This means that this node my turtle is available. So after learning nodes now, we move on to the another interesting thing, that is topic and how communication is possible between nodes. We have already discussed about the ROS topics. It is a named bus for transferring data. That is, each node can send data to the bus and receive through the bus. When a node is sending data, we say that node is publishing a topic. Nodes can receive topics from other nodes simply by subscribing to the topic. Let's see what are the things we can do with the ROS topic. Type ROS topic help. We can see there are whole bunch of function of ROS topic. So we can display bandwidth used by topic, print messages to screen, display publishing rate of topic, print info about the active topics, publish data to topic, and print topic type. So let's list the topic first. Type ROS topic space list. So the topics are listed. These three topics, color sensor, command velocity, and pose, are published by turtle sim. Now we see that our turtle is pretty stationary. So let's try to move this turtle. So run another node. Type ROS run space turtle sim space turtle underscore teleop underscore key. So now by pressing the arrow keys it will move. You can see out here. The most important thing is what's happening in the background. The node teleop key is communicating with the turtle sim node. We can display the value of the turtle using ROS topic echo. So type ROS topic echo slash turtle 1 slash cmd underscore well. So if we move the key, we see that both the linear and angular velocity values are changing. There is one another topic called pose. Let's check what it is. So type ROS topic echo then turtle1 pose. So it prints the x and y coordinate, theta, linear and angular velocity values. Now one important tool is the rqt underscore graph. This graph shows which nodes and topics are currently running. It creates a dynamic graph of what's going on in the system. So let's run this graph. Type ROS run space rqt graph. We see that there are different nodes and how they are communicating with each other. So we see that teleop turtle node is communicating to turtle sim node using cmd underscore well known as command velocity topic and printing it using rosout. Now let's see the RQT graph after typing ROS topic echo space turtle 1 slash pose. We see now that the teleop key is not only communicating with turtle sim but with also echo. We see that teleop key is printing post topic to here and is also printing to ROS out. Here we are printing the values of post topic and that's why it has shown an additional node. So basically RQT graph shows the flow and the connectivity of the nodes and topics and which are the publishers and which ones are the subscribers. We can also look at the publisher and subscriber in the terminal. Type ROS topic space list space -v. So we can see the publishers and the subscriber. Now another important thing is using ROS messages. This is very important because we want to check the data type command velocity is using. So first we check the type of the command velocity topic. So type ROS topic space type slash turtle1 and then command vel. Get the type of our command velocity. Now let's see what parameter it uses. We can simply write ROS message mssg show and the type it is using. So it uses linear and angular velocity of type float. Now the next thing is what we like to do is publish message in a terminal window. So just type the following. So we see that it is manually publishing some value to the command velocity topic. -1 here means that the message will be published 1. Turtle1 slash command velocity is our topic and its type is given by geometry underscore message slash twist. And then we are giving the values. We have seen that our turtle has moved. Now we can move our turtle recursively also. Just type the following to move the bot recursively. Here R stands for recursion and 1 stands for 1 Hz. So after pressing enter we see that our bot is moving continuously. Now let's look at the RQT graph again. We see that a new node has appeared. It is sending command velocity to our echo and to our turtle sim. There's another tool called RQT plot which is used to display the values. Type rosrun space RQT plot space RQT plot. You see a text box in the upper left corner. It gives you the ability to add any topic to the plot. Typing turtle1 pose X will highlight the plus button which was previously disabled. Press it and repeat the procedure with the topic turtle pose Y. So that's all for today. Hope you learned about the nodes, how they communicate, and some topic concepts clearly. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.